Welcome to Swedish massage video on the anterior thigh, leg, and foot. First, you'll start with your opening effleurage, connecting the entire area that you're going to work. And you want to pass over this area with effleurage at least 3 times. And you'll move into effleurage of the anterior thigh. Then you'll move into two-handed petrissage of the anterior and the lateral thigh. You can interchange tools here with whatever you're comfortable with. Then you're going to rotate the leg laterally so you can work the medial thigh to address the adductors. We'll start with effleurage, a little bit of petrissage, and stripping. You'll return the leg back to a resting position, effleurage to a transition, and then you'll do deep effleurage to the anterior and lateral thigh. You can do this with forearm as well. Just maintain proper body mechanics. Transition with effleurage and use circular fingertip friction around the patella. You'll effleurage to transition and do compressions to the anterior leg and the tibialis anterior. Then you'll do stripping to the tibialis anterior. This can be sensitive for some people, so take your time. You'll effleurage, you'll effleurage to transition to the ankle and foot. And then you'll do circular fingertip friction around the bilateral malleoli and joint mobilization of the ankle. And then you'll effleurage the foot from heel to toes. You'll use your thumbs to do friction between the metatarsals on the dorsum of the foot. And you'll do mobilizations to the metatarsals. You can use your thumbs or a soft fist or even knuckles to strip plantar of the foot from the toes to the heel. Make sure to address the heel as well, with just a little bit of circular petrissage. Effleurage up the foot into the toes, do a little bit of spreading. Effleurage to transition, effleurage to reconnect the entire area, and you're all done.